how to turn on or turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone 14 Pro. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off your keyboard sounds on your iPhone 14 series device. Now it's very simple. All you need to do is go into settings, then click on sounds and haptics, scroll down until you see keyboard feedback, click on that, and here you have two options, two toggle buttons. The first one is for keyboard sound, to turn it on or turn it off, and the second one is for haptic. Haptic is like little vibration, just the feeling when you type in. So I like to keep mine on sound off and haptic on. So basically that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys find it helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.